Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a simple, easy recipe. It's a cream cheese bun. This bun is so filled with a lot of ingredients. It's buttery, it's soft, mellow, and nice with a nice cream cheese filling. You can also use whipped cream or you can use buttercream. And I got this recipe from the internet. So this is my first time doing it. What really fascinates me a lot about this bun is the way how I saw them, apply that cream cheese or that filling into the bun. And this is so much fun for me to try. I love to try anything. So here I sifted some flour. I did add some yeast along with an egg. I'm also going to be adding some vanilla essence. And once you are using yeast, guys, I would advise whatever liquid you're using into your mixture to use warm liquid. All right, this is going to help to rise up the yeast. Also some melted butter. Check the description box below. I will be listing every details there. Now what I'm going to do with this bun is use a wooden spoon, and as I mix, I'm going to continue adding a little bit at a time of warm milk. We want a nice, soft, moist bread here. So you mix it like this, and you're going to end up with a tacky kind of mixture. Once it is done, I'm going to place a plastic wrap right over and let it sit for about 35 to 40 minutes. Alright, so after 40 minutes, I'm going to lightly flour my surface, and then I'm going to pour the mixture right over onto my floured surface. As you can see, the dough has started to rise there. And now what you want to do is just to knead your dough for about 3 to 4 minutes. And you don't want to apply too much of pressure. Just fold it in and just, knead it in until it becomes smooth and nice and forms a nice dough ball. This is so easy to put together. Nothing is hard, guys. So once I'm done making a dough ball, I'm going to place it right back into my mixing dish. And cover again with a plastic wrap and let it sit there until it doubles in size, or at least for 1 long hour. And my recipes are very simple and easy to follow. So guys, stay with me and you're going to see much more simple, easy recipes coming your way. So after 1 hour, I'm going to place it onto my countertop again. And at this time, I'm not going to use any flour. As you can see, I have a very good texture here. So what I'm going to do is cut it into half. Then cut each halves into halves again. You gotta end up with 8 pieces, just like this. Now we're gonna form a nice little dough ball. Do not apply much pressure onto your dough. Just make a nice little dough ball like this. You want to roll them into a nice oblong shape. And guys, if you do not have a pizza cutter, then you can use a sharp knife or any sharp instrument. Roll the top in like this. It all depends on the size you want. And then just cut the bottom. Now you want to twist one of the strands and fold it right under there, tuck it in like that. It's fun to me, guys. Got the kids up in here, man. They're gonna love doing this. Do not let them go by the oven though. Tuck it right under there. Make sure that they're properly tucked in. And once it is all done, we're going to place them into a greased baking pan or a non-stick pan. Cover them and let them sit until they're double in size, or at least for 35 minutes. So at this time, they're all rised. After 35 minutes, place some egg wash over the top. I did not show you this part. I'm so sorry. And then pop them into a 350 degrees oven and let them bake until they're brown and nice, or at least for 18 to 22 minutes within that time span. So you can see that my cream bun are all done. I just love the pattern. I did make a video with these here earlier that I posted. I had promised to bring this to you, and like I said, you can see from the texture of my bun that it's all nice. This is the fun part, guys. I did mix cream cheese and powdered sugar to get this filling going. Look at how beautiful this is. So at this point in time, you can just garnish with some chopped walnuts or chopped pistachio, and also some sifted powdered sugar right over the top. And believe you me, you got a delightful treat. So give it a try, guys. Don't you forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, share me out, and stay with me for many more simple, easy recipes. I will see you in my next video. Bye.